It's time to get back on the road and explore further what the Serbian countryside has to offer. And my next stop comes soon. In the village of Rabrovac, something interesting is going on. The entire community is here, dressed in the traditional garb. Ladies have set up stalls showing off baked ware, honeys, jams. It's quite a communal affair. And here's something that I've been hoping, praying to experience throughout my journey in Serbia: the making of ayvar. Only done in this part of the year, as the paprika peppers have matured to perfection. Wood-stoked fire, little chimney stack right there, and it's just gonna sit up top. The fleshier, the better. Why? Well, the skin's gonna get charred and they're gonna peel it off, so you still need a fine few strips of the meat with which ayvar is prepared. Ayvar is basically the star condiment. It's found throughout homes. It is the condiment of choice, so you can see a lot of importance is put into the whole process. You don't want to overdo it, and the smell coming off that is just strong. That is the end product. Look at that. It's almost like the oils have released. We're peeling off the char. The skin comes off entirely, so all you're left with is the fleshy bit. And she is making me look bad. This is okay?
Okay.
Look at that, hot off the grill, nice char, even. The sheen on that is super cool. It's almost like this oily coated texture that we're peeling off. Better on this one, right? Yeah. Može.
Može. Ja sam se umorila i da pravimo biznis.
Oh, we start a business together?
Da.
Da.
Da pravimo biznis.
Look at that, perfection. So the process is you let the peppers sit and wait for a day to let all the moisture content get out, because ideally you don't want too much moisture in there. I don't know if my mic is picking it up, but that is such a satisfying sounding noise as it grinds. Super cool. Now it goes in that big pot, goes on that oven. It's gonna be stirred, some salt is gonna be added, some oil, and it's just gonna slowly simmer and stir. Very interesting. I thought when we were gonna add garlic, we were gonna add like a whole bunch of cloves. She took one clove, diced it up, and that's it. For my palate, that's very interesting because I thought we're gonna go whole hog here. Keep stirring. Extra, okay. Teamwork, yes.
Team original.
Yes, team original, that's right. So we're getting ready for canning, we're getting ready for jarring. What? We're toasting the jars. And I'm guessing the whole idea is don't put hot ayvar in cold jar. That is a life first, bottling my own jar of ayvar. With the world-class ayvar completed, it's time to taste. And this opens up a whole can of worms. Živjeli. Prijetno. Oh, wow. It's so sweet. Just the essence of pepper, nice cool temperature, a little bit of heat. This is the king of Serbian condiments. I can totally see why. So good. Business partner, that's right. Duh. After the ladies see me try the ayvar, everyone wants me to sample their wares, and I'm definitely not going to say no. The whole community is extremely proud of their local products, and while I'm cognizant of all eyes on me, I totally appreciate the hospitality and their welcome.
Oh, baby.
This is the quintessential Serbian experience I was looking for and hopefully capture, project to you. A trip to Serbia is incomplete without a visit to the countryside. And if the food doesn't tickle your fancy, the amazing vistas, friendly locals, and the layers of Roman history strewn throughout will. There's something in Serbia for every kind of traveler.